Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is transformation of sentences. So this is Umaradu Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you interchange of affirmative and negative sentences. We have to change affirmative to negative sentence, negative to affirmative sentence. Before going to the concept, at first we have to understand what is transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence means we have to change one sentence to another without changing its meaning. Transformation means we have to change from one grammatical form to another grammatical form without changing its meaning. Okay. So first we have to change from affirmative to negative using antonyms. Using antonyms, what I told, the sentence will be changed but its meaning will not be changed, right? So he is a rich man. Try to understand, he is a rich man. If I write its negative form, he is not a rich man, the meaning already changed. Okay, so we can't write he is not a rich man. He is a rich man. If I write, it told here, write antonyms. If I write he is a poor man. I used here antonym, but the meaning changed because it told here he is a rich man, the sentence became he is a poor man. Okay, so what will be? He is not a poor man. He is not a poor man, that means he is a rich man. I am innocent. I am not. What is the negative, what is the antonym or opposite of innocent? Guilty. Okay, the boss is always right. The boss is never wrong, right? The boss is never wrong. Man is mortal. Man is not immortal. We used the antonym of the word mortal, immortal, right, wrong. But when you are changing the word into negative, the meaning will not be changed. That means we using the negative word, never, not. Okay, use the negative word and change the antonym of the word. This knife is sharp. What will be the negative form? This knife is blunt. If I write is blunt, the sentence will be changed, right? Is not blunt. Is not blunt. That means what? Knife is sharp. Ram dislikes you. If I say Ram likes you, the meaning, what happens? Changed. But what will be? Ram doesn't like you. Dislikes you means doesn't like you. When you changing one word negative, you use the negative word and write the antonym. Ram doesn't like you. Antonym of dislike, like. Here I represented some negative sentences. We have to change it into affirmative. He is not an honest person. Here not used, we have to remove not because we are writing the affirmative sentence and use antonym. What is honest? Negative of honest. He is not an honest person. That means what? He is a dishonest person. He is a dishonest. Honest, dishonest, and remove negative word not. Dishonest person. You do not trust him. So you remove not. You distrust. Do not trust, distrust. Distrust him. You do not trust him. That means what? You distrust him. The same meaning. He is not a wise fellow. He is a foolish fellow. He is a foolish fellow. His habits are not good. His habits are bad. She is not a dull girl. She is not a dull girl. So, what will be? She is unintelligent. Unintelligent girl. You should not deny it. Opposite of deny, accept, remove not. You should accept it. You should accept. You should accept it. Second number is using double negative. We have to change affirmative sentence to negative, negative to affirmative. I love her. We have to use double negative. Okay, I love her. I am not. One negative without another. Okay, another negative. I am not without love for her. I have a car. I am not without a car. Okay. There is no rose without thorns. She is wise. She is not. She is not without. She is not without wisdom. Okay. Here some negative sentences, double negative are used. We have to change the sentence into affirmative. There is no smoke without fire. How to change the sentence? Where, you remember, you have to change the sentence into negative or affirmative, but the meaning will not be changed. There is no smoke without fire. Where there is fire. Where there is fire. Where there is fire, there is smoke. He left no plan untried. That means he tried every plan. No gains without pains. For gains, one has to take pains. One has to take pains. Pains. I am not without money. I am not without money. I have money. He played the match. How? We change the sentence into negative using to fail. Right? He played the match. How to change the sentence into negative? He didn't fail to play the match. Okay? He didn't fail to play the match. He didn't fail to play the match. That means what? He played the match. Okay. Next sentence. He delivered his speech. He delivered his speech. He didn't fail to deliver his speech. We have to add to, right? He didn't. Why you used it? Because the sentence is in simple past. He didn't fail. He didn't fail to deliver his speech. Right? I saw the Taj Mahal. I saw. We have to change the sentence into negative using to fail. I didn't fail to see the Taj Mahal. Present form of saw, see. I didn't fail, or I didn't fail to see. I didn't fail to see the Taj Mahal. Sorry. Consult the doctor. Right? Do not fail or don't fail to consult the doctor. Next part, we have to change the sentence negative to affirmative without changing its meaning. He could not catch the train. That means what? He failed to catch the train. He failed to catch the train. He didn't fail to help the needy. That means he helped the needy. He helped. He couldn't see me. That means he failed to see me. He failed to see me. He couldn't meet the chairman. He failed to meet the chairman. I hope you got the point clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.